Perched in the gated Jolly Hills neighborhood, this remarkable home showcases breathtaking sea views spanning Frederiksted, Sandy Point, and the South Shore. Crafted just 5 years ago, it boasts a deck walkway encompassing the entire property. 2 bedrooms, each adjoined to the open great room, offer cypress ceilings and patio doors, inviting in gentle breezes and stunning ocean panoramas. The 2 ensuite baths feature spacious showers and optimized space with closets and laundry areas. The lower level, unfinished but functional, offers potential as a 1-bedroom apartment. Revel in mesmerizing sunrises and sunsets from this exceptional crest lot. Contact Diane Burns, your Coldwell Banker real estate professional in St. Croix, for complete details on this property.